Alright guys, I'm taking over for the stream for a while batteries are being recharged. So yeah, we are having much breakthrough over here. Things are coming together. We are getting letters. And
it's
letters.
The alien code.
Yeah, it's the alien code. What if we... I bet blacklight has... I bet if we put blacklight on it, certain ones are circled or something. I bet
maybe.
If we,
Yeah.
I bet if we shine blacklight.
I mean, it's over there. On its own, it's already a
I know they
Cipher.
said some blacklight letters actually have stuff on the top and some are on the bottom. I think somebody said it's you have to do the battery because the switch broke. Where is the battery? Is it inside?
No, they took it out.
Where is the battery?
And maybe it's in one of those bags.
Hold up. Start doing the wheel. Start finding trick pieces and put it together for the wheel.
Okay, so even though we don't have this solved, we are gonna at least try to confirm if certain symbols are circled with the black light, because that would be kind of cool. I do have a place to stay actually. I'm gonna be staying here with Seashell if we ever get any sleep.
I'm smart. I'm going to write down all the symbols because their phone battery is going to die probably.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I know, right?
Yeah, you can draw the thing out, and then we don't have to keep using the phone. She's gonna sketch that out so you don't have to kill your phone.
I handed it off, so. You want my phone? Yes.
Does anybody know where the other battery for that is?
To the side.
Maybe we should just go out and buy some.
Oh.
It's just double A, I think, right? Unless anybody has spare double A's in the car. Does anybody know where the other battery for the black light is? Maybe somebody might have to go like a Walmart. I wonder if that Rite Aid's open.
It's open 24 hours.
We could go. Somebody could go to Rite Aid and grab a cheap pack of batteries, like generic ones. Like.
I didn't bring anything with me because I'm not going to point it.
Yeah,
Oh, got it.
oh, we got another little matching piece. Oh, wait. I have some cash on me actually. I had gotten cash just in case my fast track thing didn't work because it's negative right now. So somebody could go over and buy a pack.
Okay.
What kind of batteries does it take? Can somebody check real quick? Because I'm trying to stream. In 2 hours, honestly, all these pieces you see right here are like maybe like half to maybe 2/3 of the puzzle, and then the rest of it is all yellow. We have a whole box of yellow, so once we get this stuff together, it's going to be a lot faster, but we still have a lot of yellow to put together, so I think in 2 hours we're still going to be working on it. Can somebody check what kind of batteries these are? Because we're gonna. I do have some cash on me. We're gonna send somebody to Rite Aid to get the batteries because we don't know where they went. Yeah, because Who wants to go to Rite Aid?
I guess I can do it.
All right, you'll go to Rite Aid. Here's $20. Well, I'm just making sure what kind it is real quick. Just open it so we know what kind.
Oh, I understand. Sorry. Okay.
Yeah, that's the idea.
Does anyone want anything else? They should be double A's.
Yeah, double A.
I have rechargeable double A's in my car.
Oh, okay. Then we don't have to.
How many batteries does this keep going?
It just needs 2, I think. There we go. We don't need to spend money. This guy's got some in his car. But we had the idea that these are like the symbols, and I thought maybe some of them are circled in the black light. because I think somebody had mentioned some of the blacklight was on the top and some was on the bottom. So he said he had some in his car, so if you could go get them, and then we can at least check that and see if it's a thing. Seashell is still here. Sonia?
Right there. She's drawing the codes just in case.
Seashell. Is Sonia still here? I don't see her. Was she here? She was the pink haired. I don't know how long ago I saw her. Sonia's the pink haired one, right?
Sonia?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is she still with us?
Here,
Somewhere.
I don't know if she's right now. But
Yeah, Sonia's here too. Oh yeah, she's the one who. I'm sorry, I am really bad with faces. They were asking in the chat, and I was just like, I don't know how long ago I saw her. I know I had seen her, but yeah, she's still here. She went to do her thing with her. You guys know how. You guys can see how bad my my recognition skills are. Like everybody here is dangerous to me, so. If I had like 3 days, I would start to like super recognize people. And I remembered she had pink hair, but I hadn't remembered she was the one who was in the car. Oh, man. I was on Tumblr as some of you were seeing before, and there's already fan art. Apparently, Demona Silverwing put it in her Gravity Falls comic. Batman's in the comic now. Oh, Ariel's on the stream, guys. Ariel's on the stream now. Ariel, she's watching. Hello, Ariel. So we're at Denny's. So we're
We have a lot of
I'm pretty sure there's more than 30.
Oh, I've seen all of these. There's so many dots that like I keep having to record.
Dots?
This is a dot. This is a dot for a triangle. For like one of the ciphers.
Oh, I thought that was just a yellow piece. We have like a whole box somewhere of just yellow pieces. I think that might be it over there. And we have this over here now that we figured out is part of this Cipher thing. So we figured out it's part of that thing picture. So that's what those pieces are supposed to be. And that guy is eventually hopefully going to go to his car and get another battery for our blacklight so we can, because I had a theory that some of those, I remember somebody saying something about how some of the pieces had blacklight on the top and then others had it on the bottom. So I had a theory that some of those pieces are probably the ones that had it on the top, and certain symbols were probably wait, this thing ends up being this is going to end up being a symbol thing. It's probably going to spell a message if you circle things, and then I bet when we figure out the message from the symbols, it's going to be coded, and then we probably have to use the word Philbrick to decode the message. That's what it's going to end up being, or something crazy like that. So that's my working theory right now. Is for the top, when we finish making it, it's gonna be some sort of circled thing with the symbols.
Wrong side.
Or just a message altogether with using the symbols. Maybe not just circled things, but and we're gonna substitute for letters, but the letters will be in a cipher too, so it won't make sense. But then maybe if we use the code word Philbrick, it will decode it.
The Bill cipher and the alien/Ford cipher use a ton of the same letters, but they're for different letters.
Well, we'll have to try both.
What?
We can try both.
Yeah, but if it's also in a cipher, it'll be hard.
Well, we can just use the code words we already can suspect. Plus, honestly, like Discord and Reddit are like amazing. So I'm sure they'll figure it out in like 5 minutes, like they've done with everything else. But
They just need people
but
to do the
I'm
manpower. They need someone to
I'm
do the work, right?
huh?
They need someone to do the work so they can get the cipher and do it
Yeah,
themselves.
yeah.
We're all
We
sleep
we have to
deprived.
do the legwork, and then we once we actually have this thing made, you got all the amazing internet people can decipher it in like 5 seconds.
Do you want more coffee or water? I would like more water, please.
No, it's too big to be a novice.
Because we're missing a note.
This, I'd say, a circle right now.
Well, like I said, maybe the one without an edge, without a border, is going to get the circle.
I also still think this is way too many pieces to just be one puzzle.
Yeah, finish the circle.
The Denny's on Sunset, we're at the 21001, the one by the Rite Aid and the Starbucks. So if anybody wants to come and join us, you can feel free, but they're, you can say you're with the puzzle group, and
Considering the fact that it's like,
we do have hopefully enough little open seats here, and we have a little booth over here too for the people who are not super actively working on the puzzle. I have a very smart person over there actually taking a nap. Smartest one out of this bunch. It's not a dig, it's just like very good common sense, like let's take a nap. Oh yeah, I know how to decode the ciphers on the website. I do that a lot, especially when I'm reading fan fiction that uses ciphers. So yeah, I know how to do the decoding thing. So that was totally the thing I was gonna do if we ended up getting some kind of coded message. But honestly, yeah, I can see your guys' chat. It's just I have to remember to actually look at it because like I'm alternating looking up at the people in the puzzle and then making sure I'm actually pointing my camera in the right direction. And then I have to try to remember to read the chat too.
You should just show them this and be like, yo, so that is 2 different puzzles. If they want to.
So what we've got over here then is we got a gnome.
A lot of pieces are over there that kind of
no, because now actually,
Yeah.
it's actually a lot more
having
fun.
trouble with
Now that I actually know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
But I'm still stuck with the right one though. There's too many arms that are not.
Putting it in a backpack and moving to other locations, but like this was the note I got when I came. Ariel was already had to leave by the time I got there because those of you who were not part of watching that stream when I arrived at the post office, I got there with like 15 minutes to spare. It was very, very close timing. So, but there was tons of people there to greet me, and I got a copy of the newest Gravity Falls Choose Your Own Adventure book, which I already had it on pre-order, so like I definitely was gonna get it. Now I'm like so happy I have a copy, and I can read it when this is all over. And it's signed, so that's awesome. And I got this note from Ariel, and Jason gave me a note, and Jeff Rowe, who's he wrote some of the books and some stuff. He wrote a little note here, and Scott, who made the puppets and the trailers, he put a little note here too. So Scott was apparently there too, and he had brought the puppets, like he brought the Fiddleford puppet, and I think he brought the Bill puppet. I missed a lot of that, but I'm planning on watching everybody else's streams of that whole party. Like, it's I feel like it's actually kind of like, I feel like it might have been good planning on good planning on Alex's end to have the clue, like that key 7-hour drive away from the place it needed to be, because it gave all the fans like time to get together, and like it seems like it was like this totally spontaneous just Gravity Falls convention. Like I heard Ariel and Jason and Seashell over there were reading from the new book, and there were puppets, and I heard people were driving up, and
Alright, we have an approximate size for Bill on this edge.
and it was just sounded all so amazing. And
I don't think he's equal out.
like, part of me is sad I missed that part because it sounded like it was super fun. But I'm gonna be able to watch it, so I'm definitely gonna go watch that. And I have to probably, I mean, I'm end up rewatching a lot of my stream too, because I have to find out who Catman is now.
We got all this.
Like, the fandom's amazing.
Now we should definitely start moving. I'm trying to find a little more. I'll start to bring you some like thicker.
We'll start a little bit later just because we want to fill in more, because we have a lot more pieces that belong in here.
I know. I'll move them here because some of these are distracting. What are you looking for? Anything that's like a thick piece like this.
Okay. Nothing specifically happened, but we were they were saying that we should start moving some of the pieces over there that are clearly not part of the message, because we're thinking that the ones with the thick lines are probably the part of the bill, and the thin line ones are a part of the message. I would watch the stream at my own birthday party too, honestly. End up being clearly, there's clearly symbols and possibly letters. And there was a I'm thinking it's going to be from the these coded alien and the Bill Cipher coded alphabets. We have not found anything with the black light coordinates, just because we have not solved enough of the puzzle to be able to get anything with the black light really yet. Also, somewhere among all the mess, we misplaced the other black light battery. So at some point, somebody's gonna run to their car and get it. And it's just, I really like this part, honestly. Like, it's taking. I can see it, Ariel. I read it in the comments now. So, it says, this took a while to try to get there. It gave, that's, I think it's that guy. It gave everybody time to come together, and, like, they had the